How to add effects to a TikTok video. TikTok has a large library of effects that you can use to customize your videos. Once you have your video and images chosen that you'd like to use for your TikTok, you'll be brought to this editing screen, which features various tabs at the bottom for customizing your video. From here, you'll see an Effects tab, which you can click to access TikTok's full library of effects. Under Visual, you can add things like smog, glitter, rainbow, and snow to your TikTok video. Under Effects, there's various effects that manipulate your video, such as time warp or 9-camera split. You then also have transitions that you can use throughout your video, split screens, and adjustments to the timing. To apply any of these effects, first find the effect you'd like to use. Then hold it down to add it to your video. If you hold it down for the entire length of your video, it will be applied to the full video. If you ever need to undo any of these effects, you can just press the undo button. If you only want to apply the effect to a certain part of your video, drag the video marker to the part of the video you'd like the effect to begin, and then hold down the effect. You can stop the application of the effect by releasing your finger from the effect. You can add as many effects as you like by repeating the application. Once your effects have been applied and everything is to your liking, you can click Save in the top right corner of the screen. And that's how to add effects to a TikTok video. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.